If you want to respond to every single comment, I have a hack for you. It's going to be time saving and I promise you'll love it.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to respond even faster on your Instagram comments. Just go to settings, and in settings, you're going to go down to general keyboard. In keyboard, you're going to go to text replacement. You write your phrase, and then you write the shortcut that you are going to be using. So in my case, it's going to be Y and 5 S's. Cool. So Y and 5 S's is in. Let's go check if it works. I'm going to reply to her and I'm going to put Y with 5 S's and a space. It automatically generates it and then I can post it. Perfect, right? These just make it way easier for me to respond to my comments. Take a look right here on thank you, and it's just way easier for me to put TY space versus thank you so much friend, a whole bunch of emojis.